Alright, today is a travel day.
So we're on our way to the airport. We've got another hour to go on the road. We've got no milk for Finn. He's super grumpy about it. And then we've got 2 flights. We are leaving Germany. Feels like it's been a while. Actually, we were in Austria this morning, and now we're in Germany, and now we're flying out of Germany. So. The fun thing about Germany is the driving on the highways. Because we were going like $130 the whole way, which is already way faster than we drive in Canada. That was a speed limit. And people are just flying by us on the left. Like they're going at least 180. So it's fun. It's kind of insane. I think Rick would go a lot faster if we could, but our car is completely gutless. Hey, Papa. Hey. How are you feeling? In the sun? Yeah. This guy's actually been sick the past few days, and he has a rash now. So we're really hoping that gets better. We made it. We got some milk. Now we just need a nap. We're trying to check in. Rick has asked to speak to the manager because they want to charge us for a couple of our baby items, which is just really strange. She's being super nice about it, but we just wanted to double check because we've flown with like a dozen airlines, big and small, all over the world. We've never had to pay for a car seat. So we're just double checking on that, and then we'll be ready to go.
Und öffnet sie Sonnenblende. Bitte vergewissern Sie sich, dass Ihr Handgepäck ordnungsgemäß verstaut ist. Dort verbleibt es auch im unwahrscheinlichen Falle einer Evakuierung. Vergewissern Sie sich, dass das Gurt geschlossen und festgezogen ist. Alle Flüge sind Raucherflüge und das Rauchen an Bord ist zu keiner Zeit gestattet. Wir bedanken uns für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit und wünschen Ihnen einen angenehmen Flug.
Wow, that was fast.
Hey, you want to go fast?
Not really.
What?
Not really right now.
You want to go fast too?
No, not right now.
You want to go fast?
No, not right now.
Yeah! Yeah, Dad, you can go fast. Dad, you want to go fast like this? Want to go fast like this? You want to run like this?
Thank you. but
Wow!
good hosts. Very nice. Good morning. We are in France. What's that?
Can you say Lyon? Lyon. Yes, we are in Lyon. We know nothing about Lyon, except that it was a cheap flight and that it's in France.
Yeah, that brought us to France.
Yeah, this was another country that we did not really plan on coming to, but
I did.
you did?
Yeah, I kind of thought we'd end up in France.
For some reason, I just kind of, I don't know. But today is D-Day, and I'm super pumped that we're actually in France for D-Day, which is just kind of special for me. I'm nerdy like that. Across the country from the beaches, but
Yeah.
I was kind of thinking, oh man, how amazing would it be to actually be in Normandy for D-Day? But we came so close, we just couldn't make it that far. But that's okay. So yeah, we spent the last week in Austria in a small guest house. We didn't actually do a whole lot there. This guy was pretty sick. He had a fever and some kind of virus and a rash and all that fun stuff. So now he's feeling better, which makes me very happy. If you have any suggestions about Lyon or the surrounding area, hit us up. Yeah, not much on the plan today. Basic stuff, groceries, laundry. We did not have a dishwasher or a microwave or a washer or a dryer or any of that fun stuff in our last place. But this place has it all, so Mommy is very excited about all of that.
Yeah, we're living in luxury right now.
It's funny how that happens. It's always like every other is kind of like, oh, we're kind of, roughing it.
Yeah.
And then the next week is like, oh, look at all this glorious stuff. We are really loving Europe so far. We have been in Europe for, this is, no, yucky. You want to try some?
No, God.
We've been in Europe for what, like almost 2 months
Yeah.
in total?
I won't lie, I am missing some of the beaches and more like,
Laid back vibes.
yeah.
Well, Germany and Austria was pretty laid back.
Yeah. Europe is just different with kids.
Europe is different with kids. Every place we go, and this sounds bad, but I'm so glad we're here with the boys, but every place that we go, I'm always like, I can't wait to come back here without them. Too?
Yeah.
Nah. Yucky. There's a lot of things about North America that I'm starting to miss. Europe is wonderful and beautiful and we love it, but there's definitely some things that North America does better.
So we just switched sides and gave Finn some milk because he was being a bugger.
What were we saying that was so important? No, there's just certain things that I think I probably took for granted back home that I will never again. I would say it's better or worse, it's just what we're used to, and now I know. It's like AC. In our experience, in 5 months, we've never had air conditioning like like at home.
Like a central air conditioning.
No central air.
Yeah.
It just doesn't seem to be the same anywhere else. Washers, dryers. This is our very first dryer in 5 months. We've had a couple washer-dryer combos, but I think this is our first
Really?
separate real dryer. Little silly things like that, but yeah, we're loving it though otherwise.
Yeah, it's definitely a different feel than like, well, Hawaii, New Zealand, Australia, Southeast Asia. Like such a different, like way more what people would consider to be potential vacation style travel.
Yeah.
Where you're near the beach, you know, there's more tropical feel. Here it's like we're just living life
Yeah.
in cities and like countryside style, but it's just different. With kids, it doesn't feel as relaxed as the other places did to me.
But we're not on vacation. We're just living life. So just kind of experimenting with different types of places, country, city, seeing kind of how things feel. But yeah, no matter where we are in the world, city, country, doesn't matter what continent, there has to be a playground within walking distance.
Yeah.
That's just not a, that's a must-have with these two.
This guy's sleepy.
Yeah.
Well, we're here for a week, so hopefully we'll put out a few more videos. I'm working a bit more these days, so it might be harder for me to do that, but we'll do our best.
Yeah, a lot of the times we aren't filming, I think just because haven't been doing a whole lot.
That's what I said in the last video.
Yeah, we just haven't been doing much, and especially if this guy was sick, so we just really weren't leaving the house at all, and there was just nothing to film, unless you wanted to see a rashy, feverish child. That's just how it goes.
Yep.
But we're all feeling better, so hopefully we can get out and, yeah, check out the city a little bit. Yeah, we had a good travel day yesterday. A 2-hour car ride and then 2 flights. And we all did pretty good, I think.
Yeah,
We all survived.
I think it went well.
Yeah, with Rick working a little bit more these days, we're just trying to kind of slowly find sort of a balance of how we manage our day, like routines, and just kind of figuring that out again. Because I will be spending a lot more time with the boys on my own again, like I would have back home. So just trying to adjust to that in a new place is kind of difficult, because I'm a stranger. I don't know where the parks are. I can't just zip to Superstore in the car with the boys. So yeah, I'm just kind of figuring that all out slowly. But yeah, it's all good stuff.
Okay, that's going to be it for now. Stay tuned for some more of Lyon. Thanks for watching.
Good night.